What's the meaning of cui bono? Cui bono? Cui bono?
Cui bono? Cui bono? Cui bono is a Latin phrase meaning who benefits. It is typically used to question the motivation behind a particular action or decision. The phrase implies that one should look beyond the stated justifications for an action and consider who stands to gain from it. By asking this question, one can potentially identify hidden motives or agendas that may not be immediately apparent. Ultimately, the purpose of asking cui bono is to uncover the truth behind a given situation or event.